everybody doing today? How's all my cousins? Good, because your girl is back with another video. So today, you guys, we are doing some candy yams my way, MRS.T way. You okay? You follow me on this? So yes, we had some potatoes, yams, I'm sorry. We had some yams. So you most definitely want to start off with your yams. We have dark brown sugar. We have 2 sticks of butter. We have some honey. We have some pure vanilla extract. We have some ground cinnamon, you guys. We also have some ground nutmeg. And we have a pinch of salt we're going to use. So yeah, so your girl done already diced up the sweet potatoes, or yams as one will call it. Even though both of them are different, your girl just, I don't know, I get confused, but don't get me wrong, I know how to pick them. So yeah, your girl is going to cube this one up for you guys, because there's no really particular way that you want to cube these up. As you see, like I say, you guys, I'm no pro in the kitchen, but I definitely love to cook, okay? So, we're going to peel that and get that skin right on off. Now, we're going to go ahead and just dice it. I usually use a bigger knife, but since this was a smaller piece, and I just saved it for the video, so I can show you guys. No, I'm not going to hurt myself. So I know some of you guys saying, that's too small of a knife. No, this is what I'm more comfortable with showing you guys. So our next step, since we got that in there, is we're going to put the sugar aside. And we're going to add a little nutmeg. We also turned our oven on to 350. Let's add us some cinnamon. About to make a mistake. Let's add us some cinnamon up in here. You guys. Who all like a lot of cinnamon? I love the aroma in my house. Uh-oh, you guys, things are falling. I have that upside down because I want that honey. This pure vanilla extract. Let's make sure it's open. I'll pour. There we go. We got enough. And we're going to put a layer of this in here. Oh no, Mother don't have all day. Let's set that top right there for ooh. Honey is so slow to me. Well, we're going to use, that's enough. We'll see if we need any more sweetness. So yeah, so I have some softened butter that I'm gonna just chunk all over this. Because we're going to slide this in the oven. And we're going to start off with it baking about 45 minutes. Then we'll come back to check on it. Let's add us some brown sugar. Now, to me, I don't need the white sugar, granulated sugar. I don't need that because I think brown sugar is sweet enough. I think that's enough sugar. And we're going to slide this on in the oven. And we're going to let that bake. You guys. And we'll be back. What I forgot to mention, you guys, we have to cover this with foil. Yeah, your girl almost forgot the foil. Please forgive me. So if you're subscribing to this channel for the first time, thank you. Hit the bell to turn gray. And if you're a rider, thank you once again for all your love and your support. I hope this video reached someone and teach someone how to make some simple candy yams. So let's go ahead and foil it. And now we slide it in the oven at 350. You guys, so we're going to check on our candy yams and see how they're doing. Always use caution whenever removing a lid. This is just a clean pot, you guys. Oh yeah. See how juices has got in there. If you can smell the aroma. Now, the purpose of covering it up is because I did not put a pre-boil on these yams, you guys. But as you see, they are coming along. And now we're finna bake them. Without the cover. So these are going right back in the oven, you guys, for another approximate hour. Maybe less. So guys, we are back. It took approximately an hour and a half for this pan of yams. It required 6 medium yams. And as you saw, the sugar, the butter, the honey, and brown sugar, because I like the dark brown sugar. And I don't know, I might be, oh, the cinnamon and the nutmeg. So yeah, that was all I added. Now I could have added salt, but I didn't. So as you guys see, the yams are tender. Let me get a plate. But we are going to rewarm the yams for the holiday. So I just wanted to bring this quick video, you guys, to show you guys these yams. And they are fork ready. Well, let's see. I can't even get a hold to that, but as you see, they tender. Okay. So yeah, your girl is getting this food ready for Thanksgiving. So if you're viewing this video for the first time, thumbs it straight up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, come join your girl. Your girl is no pro, but I love my kitchen and I enjoy cooking and sharing my videos. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yes, show this video and other videos that will have the link in below. Show them to any and everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on her channel. I would love to have you. Don't forget to hit the bell and come join the fam. But most of all, leave a comment below so I'll know where to go. So until then, you guys, sending much love from my house to yours. Enjoy your holiday. Be safe. Cook you some yams. And yeah, don't forget, love on each other because you never know what tomorrow may bring. So sending much love from my house to yours. Bye.